If we look around us, we may find at least one device connected to the internet. It may be your smartphone, your PC, your TV, even your fridge. Here I am going to tell about how Internet of Things plays a role in our day-to-day life. Internet of Things, in short IoT. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects and things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging the data with other devices and systems over the internet. IoT Smart City. In general, a smart city is a city that uses the technology to provide services and solve the city problems and does things like improve social services, promote sustainability, and give its citizens a voice. IoT Healthcare. IoT explores new dimensions of patients' care through real-time health monitoring and access to patients' health data. This data is a gold mine for healthcare stakeholders to improve patients' health and experiencing while making revenue opportunities and improving the healthcare operations. IoT Connected Cars. A connected car is a car that can communicate bidirectionally with other systems outside of the car. This allows a car to share internet access and hence data with other devices both inside and outside the vehicle. IoT Smart Farming. IoT Smart Farming Solutions is a system that is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of sensors like light, humidity, temperature, soil moisture, crop health, etc., and automating the irrigation system. The farmers can monitor the field conditions from anywhere. IoT Smart Home. IoT home automation is the ability to control domestic appliances by electronically controlled internet connected systems. It may include settings like complex heating and lighting systems in advance and setting alarm and home security controls, all connected by a central hub and remote controlled by a mobile application. IoT Wearable. IoT wearable devices are reshaping the way we receive healthcare and are equipping company sponsors, doctors, and patients with innovative insights and analytics. The data obtained from the IoT devices help healthcare, pharma, and life science companies to make better decisions and gain a competitive advantage. IoT Smart Grid. The smart grid is a part of an IoT framework which can be used to remotely monitor and manage everything from lighting, traffic signs, traffic congestion, parking spaces, road warnings, and early detection of things like power influences as a result of earthquakes and extreme weather. IoT Industrial Internet. The Industrial Internet of Things or Industrial IoT that initially mainly referred to an industrial framework whereby a large number of devices or machines are connected and synchronized through a use of software tools and third platform technologies in a mission to mission and Internet of Things context. Later an Industry 4.0, there are huge connected IoT devices all in the world. The number of active IoT device connections grew from 3.6 billion in 2015 to 7.7 billion in 2020, according to the estimate by IoT Analytics. By the end of 2025, the number could grow to a total 30 billion IoT connections, according to the forecast. The rise of the IoT semiconductor market is broad and touches most industrial segments, including industrial, automotive, energy, and utilities, and also healthcare. The only thing we want to do is learn more about IoT. Thank you for watching this video.